Hello everyone and welcome to the American Universities and Colleges Admissions Fair and Workshop 2025. And this is a series that we've been running for many years and we run it across various cities across India. It's a great platform for students and universities to meet and interact and get information about everything. We now have with us Gautam Sharma from Navitas. Hi Gautam.
Hi Ganga, how are you doing?
So Gautam, please tell us what's the most exciting thing and what's the most exciting news that you have about Queen's for students?
So the most exciting news that I recently heard, one of our students who came to us 3 years ago to start the STEM computer science course that we have, has recently landed a job in NASA.
Wow.
He has already done up to 3 internships with them, and now they couldn't give him more internships, so they hired him for a full-time role. So I think that's a pretty exciting news that I heard about it.
Absolutely, that's fantastic. So you talked about internships.
Yeah.
So tell us more about those.
So when it comes to internships, or as you formally know it as CPT, it is available in all of the courses, whether it be a STEM or non-STEM. You may be joining us for a STEM courses in business, a BPA, actual sciences, computer science. You can guarantee yourself STEM courses in downtown New York City. If not, if you're joining us for something more exciting, you're joining us for liberal arts, you're joining us for communication degrees or designing degrees, you can rest assured that even for non-STEM degrees, we have internships available for the student. They can work up to 4 months every year, starting from second year, and build up their portfolio. And once they graduate, it works wonderfully when they're looking for employments.
Great. So you spoke about liberal arts. So I think you did mention to me something about awards, students getting awards even during doing liberal arts.
Yes, definitely. So of course, we have known City University of New York for being amazing at business and computer science degrees, but Queen's College is also known for their liberal arts. In past 40 years, if I'm not wrong, over 100 Grammys award has been given to our graduate students. So that's a pretty wonderful news. So if you're someone who's looking for getting into singing, dancing as well, or performing arts, you can rest assured you're gonna get pretty much the best faculty you can find in New York City, as well as the best alumni network New York has to offer.
Awesome. So what would be the tuition fees per year and do you have scholarships?
So tuition fee per year, you can rest assured should be less than $20,000 per year. It's a 4-year degree, yes. We do have scholarship for the entrance level student. You can get around 2,000, but there are more exciting scholarships when you get on campus based on your on campus academics as well as on campus extracurricular activities that you do there. You can expect something between $500 to $4,000 per year based on your activity, how much you interact. So if you are someone who wants to explore everything US, New York and Queens has to offer, rest assured Queens College is going to help you do that with the scholarships.
So okay, as far as scholarships are concerned, you said there are enough scholarships for students. But tell us something about visa interviews. I heard you said something about helping students with visa interviews as well.
Definitely, Ganga. So the director of recruitment that we have in campus, Blake, he is going to reach out to every single student who has booked a visa interview slot for US, and he's going to help you with each and every question you may have. He's going to give a mock interview to you, and he's going to help you with 1 session, 2 session, 3 sessions, how many you need. So rest assured that, again, of course, Canon is going to be there with every step of the way, but you will also get support from the university itself, from the Queen's College itself when it's come to your visa interview, because we want to make sure that if you like us, we prepare you to come to the US.
Wow, so that kind of sums up and rounds up the whole gamut of activities that Queen's offers, and thank you so much for that.
Yeah, definitely. That barely scratches the surface. Students gonna explore everything again that New York has to offer. And thank you again, Ganga, for having me here today with you.
Thank you.